In this video, you will learn how to install the lithium-ion FT motor charging port. Mark the drilling position around halfway up the side channel and 11 millimeters from the edge. Drill a 12 millimeter hole. It's recommended starting with drilling a 6 millimeter hole, then drilling a 12 millimeter hole afterwards. Feed the cable through the hole. Connect the extension cable to the motor cable. Feed the connector into the U-rail to keep it tidy and prevent excess cable from sitting near the motor. Attach the charging port to the side channel. Install and screw the inner rail. Ensure excess cable is tidied inside the U-rail to prevent it sitting near the motor. Secure the charging port to the side channel. Take care not to over-tighten. Connect the USB-C cable to the charging port. Once the USB-C cable is connected, check if the motor LED is blinking to ensure that all connections are working properly and the motor is charging. After installation, ensure the cable is not sitting on top of the roller fabric.